In this video, we're going to learn how to import questions for this survey. To import your questions, go to the General tab and click on the Import Questions button. You can also click on the arrow sign on the right corner of your survey. When you click on the Import Questions button, the following window will be displayed. To import your questions, you need to create an XLSX file with the questions, question types, and answers where needed. The only question types that you cannot import are metric scale, star list, slider list, and range questions. You can also download an example of the necessary file by clicking the Export Example button to see what kind of formatting the document should have. When your document is ready, click the Choose File button and choose the necessary file. And then click the Import button, and the questions have been imported successfully message will be displayed, and you can already see your questions imported in your survey. Click on the Save button to save all your changes and continue to customize your survey later.